Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to download your Wix website files. Well, Wix doesn't let you download your entire site code. You can easily pull your original media for backups or migrations, and these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you secure your assets. The fastest way to do this is through the Media Manager. Open your editor, go to Site Files, and hover over any individual image or video. Click the More Actions icon and hit Download. If you're on Chrome, it starts instantly. On other browsers, you might need to right-click the file in the New tab and select Save Image As. If you need to move faster, you can download in bulk. Hold the Command or Control key and click every file you want to grab. Once they are highlighted, a panel will appear on the right. Just click the download button to get them all at once. Keep in mind that as of 2026, Wix still doesn't have a download all folders button. So you'll need to do this folder by folder to ensure nothing gets left behind. An alternative method is using the Manage Storage page. Go to your site settings from the dashboard and click Manage Storage. This gives you a list view of every file taking up space on your site. You can select multiple files here and hit download just like in the Media Manager. This is actually a great way to see your largest files first if you are trying to clean up your site speed while backing things up. That is literally it. If this guide helped you secure your website media, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to export your blog posts as a CSV next, and I will see you in the next video.